this. Back again with another fragrance review. Today we are talking Kayali Vanilla 28. So this fragrance has been around a while. I clearly was sleeping under a rock because I completely missed it. And especially for somebody who is a big, huge fan of warm, vanilla, ambery fragrances. Like, I don't know how I missed this one. I don't know. So it comes in this super cute box. So this is it outside of the box. So it is a beautiful bottle, clear glass, gold accents all around. All right, let's give it a spray. Okay, right away you're hit with the vanilla orchid. This is like a drug for me. Like smelling perfume, I could literally lock myself in a perfume shop and just smell it all day. Oh, okay, so right away it opens up with the vanilla orchid. It starts to dry down, you get more of the brown sugar, and oh, when it finally does dry down, you get the most perfect aromatic, rich fragrance. This 10 out of 10. If 0 is the worst fragrance I've ever smelled in my entire life, and 10 was the best fragrance I've ever smelled in my entire life, this is a solid 10. In terms of longevity, I would give it 5 hours before I need to top up. And the thing about Kayali's fragrances is that they're meant to be layered. They smell divine on their own, but you can also layer them and make your own unique fragrance. So what I have found is I like to layer it with other sweeter vanilla when I want to be super sweet. You guys already know how I feel about Love Don't Be Shy. I'll layer it with Love Don't Be Shy. I'll also layer it with warm vanilla sugar from Bath and Body Works. Oh, okay, hold on. It's still a little bit alcohol-y, but because warm vanilla sugar is just so sweet. I am a sweet gourmand lover. I also like fruity florals. So this is right up my alley. And when I say it smells good, I don't just mean good. I mean it smells good. Like it smells good. Like I cannot stop smelling myself. Oh, this is just compliment magnet. You want to go out and find a man? Or you want a man to come to you? Give a couple sprays before you go out. Pulse points. Neck, wrist, ankle, behind the knees. You be getting the men. They be coming to you, alright? So, the notes, I mean, it is on the box. Vanilla orchid, tonka bean, brown sugar, amberwood, and musk. And like, it's not too musky. It just makes it rich. It's just a rich, rich fragrance. And this is something you could wear all year round. Fall, winter, summer. I mean, no, you could wear it in the summer. Because it's like this ambery fragrance, I always tend to lean more winter and fall with amber fragrances, but this is so good, especially because you can layer it. This 50 ml runs you $113, 100 ml will run you 156 Canadian dollars plus tax. So, not overly expensive. I'd say that's general for this type of fragrance. Like I said, about 5 hours before you need to top up, 4 or 5 hours. I've seen some people say that it's not long lasting. Maybe they didn't. Maybe on them, you know, fragrances perform differently on everybody. How it performs on me is not going to be how it performs on you. But I know that it performs very well on me. And oh, okay, one more spray. I love it. So the fragrance is going to change color over time because the ingredients are naturally sourced. And I can't even remember where from. Let me look it up real quick. Where are they? So the number 28 indicates the 28 rounds of formulations it took to achieve the perfect balance of sweet and warm. It is a very warm fragrance. Kayali, which translates from Arabic to my imagination, features a collection of captivating fragrances handcrafted in France using the most luxurious ingredients. This first collection is designed to be layered and combined to create a scent that is truly yours. Inspired by the rich heritage of the Middle East, Kayali reflects limitless possibilities, personalities, and desires to celebrate and enhance one's infinite layers. Whew. So, and there's a disclaimer that says vanilla 28 is naturally sourced, so the color may change over time, which is typical of a gourmand. This does not impact the scent or longevity. So, because if you look online, a lot of people, at least on the Sephora website, were saying, "Oh, the picture looks nothing like the bottle I actually got," and not every bottle is going to be the exact same color because, as they said, the ingredients are naturally sourced, so it's going to change over time. What others have said though is that the color, when it changes and gets darker, the fragrance gets richer and even more aromatic and even better. So kind of it's like ages like fine wine. Who doesn't love that? So I think the bottle is beautiful. The juice inside it is beautiful. I'm looking forward to it aging some more because I don't even know how it can get any return any warmer than it already is. It's just a sexy fragrance. Like I have nothing else. I have nothing negative to say about it. I'm gonna put it back in the box because I want to preserve it and keep it safe. I don't want nothing to happen to it. This is my little baby right here. And if I were to have a signature scent, it would probably be like a warm vanilla, exactly like this. So you want a layering combo? Kayali Vanilla 28, warm brown sugar from Bath and Body Works. And fragrance doesn't need to be expensive to smell good. I don't know why people think they need to spend hundreds of dollars to smell nice. You can literally go to Bath and Body Works and get a body spray for $10, and especially with because this already smells so rich, you don't need to layer it with something that's gonna be heavy. Layer it with something light that smells good, that smells fun, or or layer it with whatever you want to layer it with. But I know that that's what works for me. Scale of 0 to 10. 0 is the worst fragrance I've ever smelled. 10, it's the best. Easily 10 out of 10. Easily 10 out of 10. I don't know what rock I was living under why I hadn't picked it up before. But yeah, so that is my review on Kayali's Vanilla 28. Don't forget to like and subscribe, not follow. I need to get the hang of that. Like, subscribe, and share. Okay, thanks. And hit the post notification. You tell them. And hit. Okay, hold on. I want to come over. And hit the post notification button. Peace.